Welcome to our simulated customer support experience. To begin the experience, please introduce yourself in the following format. Hi, my name is from customer support. How can I help you today? John, this is Anna. I'm absolutely livid right now. The deadline for my presentation is looming over my head and your software decided to go on a vacation. It's malfunctioning and I'm losing my mind. I need this resolved immediately and I'm not settling for anything less. I swear, if this happens again, I'm switching to a competitor's software. I'm paying for a service here, not a headache. What are you going to do about this, John? John, I don't have the time to play 20 questions with you. The software is freezing up and crashing. It's as if it has a mind of its own. Does that ring a bell? Maybe instead of asking me a million questions, you could have a look into your system and figure this out. I don't want to be guided step by step. I need a comprehensive, immediate solution. And I need to know what you're going to do to make sure this doesn't happen again. I'm not paying for a service that keeps failing me. What's your plan, John? That's more like it, John. But remember, I'm not just looking for a temporary band-aid here. I need a strong, reliable solution. And don't think that throwing some technical jargon at me will ease my anger. I want a detailed report about what went wrong and why. And yes, I want to know about the preventive measures you're talking about, in layman's terms. Don't think this ends here. I'll be on your case until I'm satisfied with the service I'm paying for. All right, John. I'll hold you to that promise. I expect regular updates and I want this issue resolved as soon as humanly possible. Don't let me down, or I'll be forced to take my business elsewhere, and believe me, I won't stay quiet about this debacle. I hope for your sake that you don't, John. I'll be waiting for your updates. Remember, this isn't just about fixing a software glitch. This is about my time, my business, and my reputation. I expect nothing less than full commitment and an ironclad solution. Now, go and get this sorted out. Your thanks don't mean much to me right now, John. I'll reserve my judgment until I see some real action and results. I'll be waiting for your updates. Don't make me chase you down for them. Get to work. John, I'm holding you to that. I'm expecting a swift resolution and a solid guarantee that this nonsense won't occur again. I've got enough on my plate without having to deal with malfunctioning software. Do your job and do it right. I don't want to have this conversation again. Now, off you go.